to a superhero, yeah, yeah. Hit that pill, turn me to a superhero, yeah, yeah. Roll my 90s, turn me to a superhero, yeah. Metro, if your Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm on that dope again, I'm on that flow again, switch up the flow again, yeah, yeah. Fly in the parachute, gripping that pole again, I'm on that all again, yeah, yeah. Candy in the cup, gotta get paid, king in the streets, young nigga made, spraying on the crowd, take to the grave.
And road, as you can see. And, I'm just trying to show you a little bit of it.
This is what I got for 40 baht.
Right here, my boy, my lady boy, right here, my lady boy.
Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, hey Macarena.
Ayy, Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Ayy, put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, tell him give me 1 minute. Ayy, Macarena, aight, aight. Ayy, Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, tell him give me 1 minute. Ayy, Macarena, aight.
La baby dice mami que
plate for the 50 baht.
50 baht, yeah.
So we have to eat 3 times.
3 times, 150 a day.
150, and for the drink water
Yeah.
or some we drink like a filter water, just normal water. I make 1 day for 500 baht.
1 day is good here.
It's not good, but I looking more than that.
What you do for living?
I flyer like this. What is it? It's a healthy food.
Healthy food oasis. Father,
Yes, I have baby.
baby, 1 baby.
Yeah, 1 baby.
That's crazy. Congrats, bro. Congrats. That's crazy.
Baby, oh, that is the life we feel. When we are enjoying, we don't thinking of make baby.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. We just want to do it,
And
bro.
we have
고구마 칵테일 수냐 고조가 훅해질라서 안무즈후를 마주쓰냐 셀라를 가득해질라서 오하오하오 예투수가 지수구
Right now I'm in Asiatique, the riverfront destination, and as you can see there's a lot of restaurants out there, giant boats. This part of the city is just beautiful. Hello, fresh coconut please. Thank you. Yeah, see? Looks really amazing. I'm going to look for a place to dinner, and we'll see what we got today. $100 for baby octopus, we'll see. Thank you a lot. Thank you. This is what I got for the $100. Try to have a seat. It's the squid, some sauce. I never eaten with that before, so oh my god. It's really good. It's a little bit spicy, but that's okay. That's not that much. It's just crazy, crazy. It's 300 baht. You can see the prices like 500 baht, 300 baht, 150. The prices are really cool here. A lot of variety as well. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you Chinatown. Hey sir, what is this? It's the little. But the little. Okay. There's a lot of people in the street. So right now I'll eat this fruit. Here's a mini pineapple. Let's taste it. It's really nice. It's really fresh as well. A lot of juice. Hello. Salted egg, please. So I'll try a salted egg lava bun. It's only 20 baht. Thank you. It's really nice. Spices everywhere, a lot of food, a lot of clothes. I want to deep fry the egg fish. Thank you. So this is what you got for 50 baht. Let's try it out. Really crunchy. Bro, it's really good. It's really good. A little bit spicy. Huge. On a tuk-tuk, getting ready to get scammed. Stay tuned, guys. Let's get it. And I'm going to take a bus to Krabi. 33 euros for the ticket, 11-hour ticket. People say it's really comfy and the seats are really big. I hope, you know. So this is what the station looks like. There's a lot of places to get food. And of course, 7-Eleven. They're just everywhere here in Thailand, everywhere. They got all of different stuff. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. Oh, seaweed. What the? This is crazy. Let's wait. I'm really tired. It's really hot out here. Really hot.